Welcome back to my channel Fashionable. Hello beauty lovers. Today's I am diving into the dazzling world of shining nail art designs. Get ready to for glitter, sparkle and a whole lot of glamours. These designs will make your nails shine like diamonds. Whether for a party, wedding, or casual outing, we have got you covered. Let's explore the most stunning nail art ideas for girl. Classic glitter nail art that never go out of style. Silver glitter polish gives the that is icy crystal look. Gold glitter bring warmth and elegance to your nails. Try mixing chunky glitter with fine shimmer for extra sparkle. A full glitter nail designs will make you the center of attention, or go for glitter tips for a subtle yet shining look. Metallic nails are sleek, modern, and bold. Charm silver nails give a futuristic vibe. Rose gold metallic is perfect for a soft feminine look. Mirror finishes nails reflect light beautifully. Pair metallic polish with rhinestones for added dramas. Try Omar metallic effect for a unique touch. Rhinestone instantly elevate your nail game. Add tiny crystals to the base of your nail for sparkle. Go full glam with the rhinestone covered Asian nails. Mix different size of stones for texture and shine. Clear rhinestones give a diamond like brilliance. They create a rainbow effect that's mesmerizing. A holographic top coat can transform any polish. Silver hollow is a classic, but try pink or blue for variety. Mix holographic polish with glitter for ultimate shine. Perfect for festival and fun events. Colored rhinestones add a playful twist. Holographic nails change color in the light. Nail follicles create a reflective artistic effect. Gold foil flakes look rich and luxurious. Silver foil pair with pastel shaded dry abstracts foil pattern for a creative look. French tips get a shiny upgrade with glitter. Replace white tip with silver sparkle polish. Try abstract foil pattern for a creative look. Foil over glitter add depth and shine. Great for both short and long nails. French tips get a shiny upgrade with glitter. Replace white tip with silver sparkle polish. Gold glitter tips are perfect for wedding. Add rhinestones along the smile line for glam. Combine metallic polish with French tips for a modern twist. Work beautifully on almond and or coffee shaped. For winter, go with icy silver and snowflakes design. Summer call for bright neon polish with glitter. Sparkling look gorgeous with pastel shimmer. Autumn nails shine with gold and copper tone. Match your nails are the holiday themes for extra charm. Every season has its perfect shining nail style. Shining nail art is all about creativity and confidence. Whether you like subtle shimmer or bold glitter, they are designed for you. Experiment with color, texture, and accessories. Do not be afraid to mix and match trends. Your nails are your canvas, let them shine. Remember, shiny nails instantly lift your mood. These designs work for both casual days and special events. Try theme at home or show the images to your nail artistry. You will love how they catch the light and turn sad. So, which shining nails design is your favorite? Share your thought in the comment below. And do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more nail art inspiration. Thank you. Bye.